Now that we have the printer reset to factory default, we're going to go through the initial setup screens and let the printer perform its self-check. Before you proceed, if you've had the front mount cartographer installed in the printer, make sure you're removing the y-axis spacers. And also leave the front door open when it's doing its homing procedure, or the front mount cartographer will hit it. Going through the setup screen, we're going to pick our language. We've removed the screws. Our area is clear. Privacy policy. Choose our wireless network. Now we're going to enter the password. Note your IP address in case it has changed. Set your time zone. If the QR code doesn't come up, switch to China's mainland, let it refresh, and then go back to international. It's not necessary to log into Creality Cloud. If you want to log into your account through the Creality app, go to the Creality Cloud app, go to Workbench. In the upper right, you have the little plus sign. Scanning code to add devices. Come up to your QR code. It will log you in and hit done. We are now logged into the printer. Go to the next screen. We are going to skip the update, and now we're going to let the printer start its self-check. Now that the self-check is complete, we're going to skip the update again. We're going to go to Settings, System, and we're going to turn off the update reminder. We are now ready to install the K2 Improvements.